Today's project, working on stacks. Gonna get those swapped out. I mean, tray here, I've got this passenger side pretty much laid out how we want it. And we're working on the elbow. There's a little issue with the manufacturer. We gotta work on getting those. We're gonna do a 90-degree picket elbow. Should drop down right in between here, right underneath. Look pretty good. Steps turned out pretty awesome after we finally got them. And yeah, that's what we're working on today. Do the finished product when we're all done.